Hey there, my name is Sarah. I'm excited to introduce you to a product that could change your life for the better. It's called DecideEasy, and it's a solution for anyone who struggles with indecision, uncertainty, and doubt. I found that there is multiple fake website available on the internet, as per the Google Transparency Report. Here the only website is correct. I will add this website link in description for you. You can visit to the official website from there. Now back to the point, we discuss about the problem. Do you ever find yourself paralyzed by choice? Do you spend hours, days, or even weeks agonizing over decisions, only to feel unsure and unsatisfied with the outcome? Maybe you're afraid of making the wrong decision, or you're simply overwhelmed by the options available to you. Whatever the reason, indecision can be a real obstacle to living a fulfilling life. Solution. That's where DecideEasy comes in. This product is a comprehensive system that helps you overcome indecision and make confident, informed choices. It's based on proven strategies and techniques that have been used by successful entrepreneurs, executives, and athletes, and it's tailored to fit your unique needs and goals. Now the features and benefits we will see. DecideEasy includes a range of features that make it easy and effective to use. Here are just a few examples. A step-by-step decision-making process that guides you through each stage of the process, from identifying your options to evaluating the pros and cons to making a final choice. Tools and templates that help you organize your thoughts, compare options, and track your progress. Exercises and activities that help you clarify your values, priorities, and preferences, so you can make decisions that align with your goals and aspirations. Personalized coaching and support from experienced decision-making experts who can answer your questions, provide feedback, and offer guidance when you need it. The benefits of using DecideEasy are numerous and far-reaching. Here are just a few examples. You'll save time and energy by making decisions more efficiently and confidently. You'll reduce stress and anxiety by eliminating the uncertainty and doubt that can come with indecision. You'll improve your relationships, career, and overall well-being by making choices that align with your values and goals. You'll develop a lifelong skill that will serve you well in all areas of your life, from personal to professional. Here are a few testimonials from real users of DecideEasy. Sarah is 29 and he said, "I was always second-guessing myself and my choices, but DecideEasy helped me trust my instincts and make decisions with clarity and confidence." Jessica is 37 and she said, "I used to feel like I was always at a crossroads, not knowing which way to turn. Now, thanks to DecideEasy, I feel like I'm in the driver's seat of my life." Conclusion. So there you have it, DecideEasy, the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to overcome indecision and make confident, informed choices. If you're tired of feeling stuck, uncertain, or unsatisfied with your decisions, then this product is for you. Don't hesitate, take action today and just check description, visit official website and start living the life you want to live. Like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.